nasira ko na naman.
Oh!
Like that. Mas nami mo bra. Ang yes.
Love, Nanay and Claire. Can you please help me? I cannot see. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. This is Claire. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Learning with Claire.
Nakakamiss sabihin yun. Matagal kaming hindi nag-learning with Claire. What are we going to do today?
How to make a pot! My favorite! Give me Santa Claus!
Yeah. Si Claire ang magtuturo sa akin kasi siya yung may alam dito kasi favorite niya ngayon to.
Yes, I know how to make a pot. That's so very easy.
Wow.
And Nana, you know how to make a pot? I know how to
I
make a
don't know how
pot.
you're going to show me. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Ilalagay namin yung Shopee link sa baba in the description box where you can buy this pottery wheel at meron na din siyang free na clay. Pwede kayong bumili ng mas marami pang clay.
Abracadabra, poof! This is the pottery wheel for kids.
Nakalagay rito for ages 8 plus, but Claire is 6 pa lang, but
Yes.
she really wanted to try it. But with guidance, of course, of parents.
Yes. Wow! There's a clay! There's a
Ah.
clay!
That's the clay!
What a nice clay. It's very
Nice
soft.
color. 1
One
and
and two.
So,
This
2
is
packs of
mine and
clay.
this is yours. The paint! There's a paint!
the painting or the coloring set. It's made of plastic and medyo manipis siya, but it's okay.
Yes.
And we have, of course, the
Poster paint!
the paint.
Paintbrush!
Paintbrush. And these are the, do you know what to call this?
No. What's that?
These are the cutting and the shaping tools.
So what is this?
This one is
Oh.
the, ano ni siya? Wait lang. Support. Support. Yun yung tawag sa kanya.
Oh,
Support.
support.
Support for decorating and sculpting. You know this one?
Yes, to pick the cups when it's ready now.
Cutting cord with grips. Ikaw, be?
Cutting cord with grips.
Siyempre, may manual tayo dito.
My favorite! Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Ito na siya. What's this, Kitler?
Pottery wheel?
Battery wheel. So, our battery compartment. So, ilalagay natin. Ay! May screw pa.
Oh, it's opening! It's opening! Yay.
Ay! Why tayo muna ang battery?
Naku na. Naku na!
Dalawang D-size na battery pala yung
Yes.
kailangan.
Dalawa.
Nakakaloka. Ayan, dalawa.
2D size battery!
Yan natin on, Kitler.
Here. Where is it?
Ah!
Woo!
Success!
This is the power button, KaFam.
At meron siyang dalawang speed, number 1 at number
Yes.
2. Number 1 is ganito siya kahina or slow. Number 2 is
Yay! Faster, 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 faster!
nice!
Nanay, first you're going to open this. One for you and one for
for me.
for me. The circle first and you like this clay and with the like this and put your hand in the water and just on and just spin it like that. Okay.
Okay. I think 1 pack is enough for 1 pot.
Oh,
Moist lang.
moist.
Okay. Hello!
Oh,
Nga mo lang, nanay.
yes.
Okay.
First it's circle. So very slippery. Okay.
May ganun-ganun. Ah, okay. So you circle the clay.
And you stand up like this. And just
Sa
put it
upright
in the center.
position. Put at the center. Wow. Turn on. Ay, good siya.
So,
Slow lang. And then water. Wet your hands with water. Nag-move siya. Ah, okay. Turn it off first. I think the technique here is you are going to
Oh.
like that.
And you just like this.
So steady hands down. Start
Look at my
making
hand.
It's a messy but fun activity.
Yes.
It looks easy, pero hindi siya madali kasi kailangan mong i-control yung clay and yung tool para makuha mo yung shape. Oh, at least we're making a hole!
This is what we made.
So far, yan, nagka-hole na din. Parang wala talaga akong skill sa mga ganito, But it's a nice skill to learn.
Yes. So very soft, right?
Yes. Can easily be destroyed and reshaped again. So, help po. Pwede mag-call a friend.
Yes.
Parang ang hirap. Parang hindi tayo makakatapos ng isang part. Anong nangyari sa part?
Let me try.
Okay.
Just like this.
That's better.
Yes. Okay, then you try.
Masisira ko na naman to.
Muna imo tambo para
Like
madami.
this.
Hindi ay ipababaw
Ah.
inyo.
Okay.
Para nice, para beautiful.
Ay, nasira ko na naman. Marunong siya. Oh, it looks better, oh.
Yes. Look at KaFam.
Oh, at least, diba? It looks better than mine.
Yes.
So, gamitin natin yung one whole pack.
Getting prettier, KaFam. Wow, it's nice na
Yeah.
look. Let's stop. Oh, nice. Look at KaFam.
Yan na yung pinakamaganda. Nice na.
Yes.
Ooh!
Oh.
Ooh!
Natanggal namin! Going to put some scratch paper.
Abutangan sa paper.
Para ma-dry.
Okay.
I hope you can make your clay pots, KaFam.
Plus, we are going to wait for how many hours, Claire?
48 hours.
See that? So, almost 2 days to 3 days bago siya ma-completely dry. Air dry lang po siya.
We need to practice more, KaFam, but it's okay.
Is it easy or hard?
Easy.
Ay,
And
easy.
I got the skills. And how about you, Nanay? You got the skills?
No. Yan na talaga yung pinaka-beautiful part na kaya namin gawin.
Oh, that's so fast. We make it more smooth.
Tumas namin mubra. Yes. Ang ganda ng gawa ni Claire. Oh, your work is nice. Very good. Galing.
Para open mayo.
Ganun
And put
pala.
your tongue on the bottom.
Ganun. Full lang na. Tas sa kilid.
Ah.
Nice.
I did it.
You did it. Pot number 2.
Let's wait until it dries.
White na siya. Yan ang kanyang kulay. Kuha na be? Kung it's complete. Wow, it's dry.
Yeah.
It's completely dry.
Yours are very pretty. I like yours. I will start painting KaFam with the dry pot. Look, KaFam, I finished my beautiful pot.
Is that strawberry?
Yes.
What else?
There's a grapes, and there's a dot, and there's a heart,
Oh.
and there's a flower. Oh, this is my favorite.
What's that? Octopus?
No.
Ano nasa?
Oh, kawat
Ha?
ko muna star.
Moon and star na? Okay. This is Claire Lalu, and this is the moon, and
Yes.
these are the stars?
Yes.
Okay.
I put some dot again. And I have a blue here, and I have a orange
Colorful.
here. Yellow, green, blue, purple. Which one do you like, Nanay and KaFam?
I like both, Nax.
Ooh, how about you, KaFam?
How about you? Anong gusto niyong pot dito ni Claire?
I hope you make pots too, KaFam.
Yay! Good job!
I like this one. I like this one.
Ah.